practices. There are culture, practice, and other things that are different from other ethnic. So therefore they are unique. They are different. So many different cultural practices. So we feel we are part of the indigenous peoples of this world, and we have joined the indigenous people of this world to celebrate the Indigenous Day. Therefore, we have gathered here in Jawaabu, Taraba State Capital, to display, to showcase our rich cultural heritage, from dances, from artifacts, from jokes, and all other practices that the Fulɓe on their own. You have witnessed since morning the display of several cultures of the Fulɓe. We want to tell the world that we are peaceful people. We are people who want to live peacefully with our neighbors. Therefore, we have our trade, we have our traditional institutions, we have our practices which we held with very high esteem. Therefore, we want to showcase this to our brothers and sisters in the entire world so that they can understand and appreciate our own culture. Among other cultures, the Fulɓe constitute one of the best and peaceful cultures. We have our own cattle, and this is the cattle that we have depended on. We have so much love the cattle, we are ever ready to protect the cattle. And we want to call on our neighbors that this cattle in our lives, we want them to respect it, value it, as well as value our culture. Because we equally value intermarriages, we have interacted with them, we have mingled with them, we have associated with them in so many instances. Therefore, this is high time for us to become, one and a peaceful country, one peaceful state, and one peaceful community. Thank you very much.